Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm featuring FNAF guy. We about to go ghost hunting. He just gotta update his phone. Yeah. We'll tell you if you're seeing it.
Bro, what the?
Nah. We cannot have this happening in like the first 30 seconds. Alright, let's go. Let's go, dude. It's gone. It's finally gone. Dude, we cannot have that going on in like the first 30 seconds, dude. That creepy. Like, dude, I just paused the recording. We see this dog over there just standing still, like, bro. Oh yeah, there's also another dog over there.
Dude.
But yeah.
Oh shit, that dog's literally shitting.
Also, I'm gonna have to have you bleep out the swear word you said, please.
Me bleep out?
Please.
And in your video.
I don't know how to put a bleep sound effect.
Get your editor to do it.
He lives cross country. Not joking. I swear to God, but I need to meet Fishy God in IRL though. Like, I mean, I can call him on a Discord call and we can like FaceTime each other, but like, I actually need to see it.
Does he even edit your videos?
If I send, he's like really good at editing. Like, he makes edits all the time.
I've seen them. They're not that good.
Well, I mean, some of them are. Some of them are though, right?
No.
But if you guys weren't beefing, do you think that would be better?
No.
Oh. Well, you guys are definitely better than me. I cannot make an edit for the life of me. Wait, why are we talking about this while I'm still recording? So yeah.
So yeah, guys.
We just walk.
Get forward into the field where we've seen something before.
Bro, we gotta go back into the field.
Yeah.
Dang it.
That's the only time I've seen it besides the camping trip.
Yeah.
Guys, we're not even joking about this, but we got in chased.
Yeah, we have.
Make sure you don't show anybody's license plate. So you might want to aim it at.
I'll see you guys whenever we get there, alright? Alright, we're making it to the fields.
Alright, yeah, guys, I'm wearing soccer cleats.
Yeah,
So
just so we can post. I'm wearing my Crocs sports mode. Right over there.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to have to go back. I can lead.
Go.
Wrong. Where are we running to? Oh, shit. I don't know, could have been the wind down. This is why I don't like this type of stuff. That was a loud ass bang. Yeah.
Probably your phone caught that.
It did though. I was recording whenever that happened. I mean, it didn't, I don't think it got the door closing on camera, but
Why is there a door open? Should we go back?
nah,
I'm gonna go back.
bro.
News.
Huh?
News.
Oh. Bro, this has been going for like 6 minutes. That's the only thing we found. Oh, hey, look, there's a pet place, don't we? It didn't see the license plate. I don't think. Either way, we can just blur it out, right?
Yeah. But you have to do it.
Yeah.
Or your editor.
Yeah.
Or if you don't, you could get freaking sued showing the license plate.
Alright. Oh, the door's closed again.
There's some glass.
Bro, I don't want to have to go back again.
That's fine, man.
So guys, this is a little bit more edgy because these are out. If you step into one plant, you could get stung the fuck out of. Yeah. And I'm actually scared of bees. Nah, bro, I'm about to go back home.
The fuck is that?
With what?
Something.
Dude, let's go back. Oh, fuck me. What is it? To the house. Dude, what did you see? Dude, are we going back to the house? No, but what did you see?
It was like it was a very tall human, bro. And he had so thin of skin.
Oh wait, Damien, isn't this your friend's house?
Yeah.
Also, I'm probably gonna blur your name. I'm probably gonna like just bleep me
Say no,
saying
my
your
name.
name.
When I name revealed, they're like hiding.
Oh, you already name revealed?
Yeah.
Yo, did you just find money on the ground?
Somebody smoking pot in this?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it open. So there might be a legit $5 bill. Oh, yo, I just found a $5 bill.
Oh, Jesus. That butterfly.
I'll kick the shit out of you.
Well, it's just a butterfly. Yeah, bro, come on. Let's head back.
Gee, just found money.
Yeah, that's cool.
Going to